Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Nation. In this video, we'll be discussing about summer analyst internship at Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is one of the biggest financial companies in the world, and this summer internship will be in the next year, that is 2022. So we will be discussing everything about this internship, so stay tuned till the end to understand the complete process and hit the bell icon for further notifications because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start our today's video. So this summer analyst internship will be for 8 to 10 weeks and the location will be Bangalore in India. So you'll have to go to Bangalore to do this internship, and also you'll get minimum stipend of 40 to 50k to work there. They will select you based on your resume and scores, so you need to have a very good resume. This internship is applicable to everyone, which means everyone who is pursuing a college or university degree can apply for this. This means that they'll look at your potential and not on your degree. You can also go to this website and see the details of this particular internship, how this will be working. You can see here that this program is designed to fully immerse you in day-to-day activities of one division, which means you will not be given a small work, you will be working on day-to-day activities. So the eligibility criteria for this internship is like you should be currently pursuing a college or university degree and usually undertaken during the second penultimate year of study. Now, what does the second line mean? It means that if you are currently enrolled in a 4-year program, then you should be in second year right now, or if you are in a 3-year program, then you should be in your first year right now. They give more preference to these students, but they do consider, so even if you are from third year, you can still apply. So the program type, 8 to 10 weeks of training will be provided and work will be given to you. So it's 2 to 2.5 months based on your availability. The location will be Bangalore in India, so you'll have to go to Bangalore to do this internship. And the deadline for this application is not mentioned because different colleges have different summer vacation periods. So you can see here, this summer analyst internship is a 8 to 10 week summer internship for undergraduate students. You'll be fully immersed in day-to-day activities on one of our divisions. We'll see these divisions in a while. As a participant, you'll have to attend orientation where you'll learn about the culture at Goldman Sachs as well as the benefits and responsibilities of being a member at Goldman Sachs. You'll also receive division-specific training designed to help you succeed, and you'll have the opportunity to work on real responsibilities alongside fellow interns and people. Now let's talk about the recruitment process. So I'll be telling you about the recruitment process as per this year, that is 2021. So the selection process for this year, for this summer analyst internship, was like the first round was written test in which MCQs were asked for 60 marks and the test duration was 60 minutes. These MCQs were based on quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and English. And the second round was ex-tempo round. In this round, few activities were conducted like jam sessions and group discussions on a random topic, and third and fourth round was personal interview rounds. So in these rounds, basic questions were asked based on students' resume and some general questions like tell me about yourself and why should we hire you. And the students who qualified the fourth round were selected for this internship. So now the divisions for which they actually are looking for students are like consumer and investment management, engineering, corporate and workplace solutions, finance, global compliance, global investments research, global market. So you can choose any one of the domain of your interest before registering. I'll also provide you the link of this page in the description so you can check all other details you need. Now let's see how to apply for this program. So here you'll have to click on apply to this program. Then you'll find this page. Here you have to click on apply. And then you have to first register yourself. So you have to give your first name, last name, email address, and then you have to confirm your email address, choose a password and then confirm it, and check out this box and click on submit registration. So after clicking on submit registration, you'll find this application forms. So here you'll have to give few details about you. So there are different steps in the complete application process. So you'll have to go through each of these steps and give out all the details required, and at last you have to submit your details. So after filling out all the details, your application will be submitted. So if you are interested in any of the domains mentioned, you can just apply for this because Goldman Sachs is one of the biggest financial companies in the world and it provides a very good stipend also. So if interested, then do apply for this. Don't miss this opportunity. That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends, and also subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. You can also follow us on Instagram for further more updates on different jobs and internships. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.